Welcome back. Today, we will take a close look at one of the most talked about skin treatments out there, Melalite Forte Cream, Hydroquinone. You've probably heard about it as a powerful solution for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. But is it really safe? How does it work? And what do you need to watch out for? Stick around because I'm going to break this all down for you. So just like Garnier, I bought this while visiting India. Yes, it is the home of products like this, Melalite Forte Hydroquinone, Menarini Tretinoin, Tretihil, I guess, and Kojivit Ultra azelaic acid, yes. Now, what is Melalite Forte? Melalite Forte is a prescription cream made by Abbott, and its main active ingredient is hydroquinone, 4%. Now, hydroquinone isn't just any ingredient. It has been around for decades and is considered one of the most effective treatments for hyperpigmentation. Basically, it works by slowing down the skin's melanin production. So less melanin equals lighter dark spots. So, who is this cream actually for? Dermatologists usually prescribe it for melasma, those stubborn brown patches often triggered by sun or hormones. Number 2, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the dark marks left after acne or skin injury. Number 3, age spots and sunspots. It's not an all-over skin lightener. It's meant for targeted areas that need correction. So I said melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, age spots, and sunspots, right? So how to use it properly? Okay, this is important. Hydroquinone is not just something you slap on your face casually. No, here's the dermatologist approved way, right? Always conduct a patch test. Apply a thin layer at night directly onto the dark spots, not on your entire face. Usually once a day is enough. Some doctors may recommend twice daily, but that's under strict supervision. And the golden rule is sunscreen every single day. Without SPF, you're just wasting your time because the sun will just bring those spots right back on. Now, how long are you to use this product? Okay, what I will tell you is patience is key. Results usually show up in about 4 to 8 weeks, and by 12 weeks you should know if it's working for you. But here's the catch. You should not use hydroquinone continuously for months on end. Most dermatologists recommend stopping after treatments, then either taking a break or switching to gentler maintenance products like azelaic acid, vitamin C, or tranexamic acid. Okay, so what are the side effects and risks of using this product? Let's talk safety. Okay, because this cream is strong, the common side effects are things like redness, dryness, or mild irritation. Okay, those usually calm down with good moisturizers and sun protection. But the rare, more serious risk is something you call exogenous ochronosis, a condition where the skin actually turns bluish gray color. This usually happens when hydroquinone is abused. For example, using it daily for years without medical guidance. Now that is scary. That's why it's prescription only in most countries. Speaking of prescriptions, here's something a lot of people don't know. In the US, over-the-counter hydroquinone has been banned since 2020. You can still get it, but only by prescription, you know. Same goes for most European countries, if not all. Japan, Australia. It is even banned in some cosmetic stores in some countries. Only doctors can prescribe it, right? So if you see a random bleaching cream on the market claiming high hydroquinone, just be cautious. A lot of them are counterfeit or mixed with dangerous steroids and mercury. I want to warn everyone, now listen very carefully. I want to warn everyone to be cautious about skincare products, especially in local markets. It is common for some vendors to illegally mix hydroquinone into creams, lotions, and oils. They do this to create a rapid bleaching or lightening effect, promising results in just days or weeks. This is extremely dangerous. These unregulated products can cause severe and permanent skin damage and in some cases serious health issues. It is crucial for people to understand that legitimate products with hydroquinone, just like this one here, are regulated and intended for specific medical conditions under a doctor's or a dermatologist or a skincare expert's supervision. They are not designed for general skin lightening or bleaching. Alright, with all that being said, let me give you some pro tips, okay? Never ever mix hydroquinone with benzoyl peroxide on the same area because it can cause your skin to darken temporarily. Number 2, store the cream properly. If it turns brown, it means it is oxidized and no longer effective. Okay, now listen to this closely. Hydroquinone often works better when combined in what's called a triple combination cream. That is hydroquinone plus tretinoin plus a mild steroid. But that's strictly prescription only and should be monitored by a professional dermatologist. So is Melalite Forte the ultimate dark spot solution? Honestly, when used correctly and under medical supervision, yes, it's one of the most effective treatments out there. But it's also not something you play around with on your own. Use it smart, protect your skin with sunscreen, and always listen to your dermatologist, I guess. Look, sunscreen is non-negotiable for this product, okay? So if you're not ready for hydroquinone, that's fine. There are plenty of gentler options like niacinamide, tranexamic acid, azelaic acid, or even vitamin C, all great for maintenance and prevention. With all that said, I guess that's the full scoop on the Melalite Forte Hydroquinone. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, blah blah blah, leave a comment. I would love to hear your experiences with hydroquinone. So thanks for watching. Until I see you next time, stay glowing.